Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 206, reverse linked list. We're told that we're given the head of a singly linked list and we need to reverse the list and return the reversed list. So in this example, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we reverse the list so we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're given another example here, and when our head is empty, then we're just going to return an empty linked list. So how can we, let's say we've got 2 pointers, a previous pointer here and a current pointer here. Well, what would we do? We set our current pointer to our previous pointer. Our next pointer equal to our previous pointer equal to our current pointer, and then we would shift our current pointer equal to the old next pointer. We don't want to set it to our previous pointer because then we're just going to end up in a loop over here. We want to move on to all the numbers in our linked list. So we can start coding the solution up. Let's start off with our previous pointer. We'll set it to none because we're assuming we're starting off at 1, for example, so we have nothing in our previous pointer yet. And our current pointer is going to be equal to the head of the linked list that we're given. Then we're going to say while our current pointer is not at the end of our linked list, we'll set our current .next pointer equal to our previous pointer. We'll set our previous pointer equal to our current pointer, and we'll set our current pointer equal to our current .next pointer. But wait a minute, there's a problem because we've already overwritten our previous pointer. So like I mentioned, we definitely will get into like a loop over here. So we need to store our current .next pointer in a variable, let's call it temp, and we'll then set our current pointer to our temp variable, which will contain our current .next node before we did the swap. Then we can say, well, when we get to the end of our list, our current node is going to be equal to null, but our previous node is going to be the node which is the new head of our reverse linked list. So we can just return our previous pointer. So let's run our code. Now let's submit our code. We pass all 28 test cases. It's fantastic. So in terms of time complexity, we're looking at an O of n time complexity because it's just a single pass. And in terms of space complexity, we're looking at an O of 1 space complexity because we're only setting a couple of pointers and variables. So I hope this video made sense, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.